$3.12 and T2 at $3.62. Watch the entry level closely for recovery signs. Stabilis Solutions Inc., founded in 2013, provides clean energy solutions in the U.S. and holds a market cap of $94.66 million. Today, the stock saw an increase of 13.11%, demonstrating strong momentum. Its one-year performance is up 3.7%, with a range between $3.22 and $5.86. Currently at $5.09, it is trading above the planned entry of $4.40, with targets set at T1 of $6.60 and T2 at $8.80. Keep an eye on potential upward trends. SU Group Holdings Limited operates as a security-related services company with a market cap of $1.70 million. Shares surged today following the announcement of an $11.3 million contract for a hospital upgrade project in China. Over the past year, the stock shows a heavy downward trend, down 87.5%, with a 52-week range from $0.72 to $15.5. Currently priced at $0.72, it's significantly below the planned entry of $1.71, making the next levels to watch T1 at $2.565 and T2 at $3.42. Epic Quest Education Group International Limited, with a market cap of $6.01 million, provides educational solutions for students looking to study abroad. The stock moved higher today, following the news of entering a memorandum of understanding to offer a master's degree program. Over the last year, it's down 29.2%, but the recent performance shows a more positive trend, gaining 20.5% in the last month, currently at $3.65. The planned entry is also $3.65, with potential targets at T1 of $5.47.5 and T2 of $7.30. Lionheart Holdings Warrant is positioned as a potential merger partner, and despite having no significant operations, it's showing volatility today with a dramatic increase of 237.75% on high volume, pushing the stock price to 51 cents. With no defined past year performance or significant fundamentals, the surge appears momentum-driven. The planned entry is at 55 cents, making it below entry currently, with targets set at T1 of 8.25 and T2 at 1.1. Columbus Acquisition Corp. is another SPAC focused on potential business combinations. Today it remains stable, showing no price change and matching average volume levels. There's no recent specific catalyst for movement, so it's currently driven by market sentiment. At 57 cents, below the planned entry of 61 cents, the targets are T1 of 0.915 and T2 at $1.22, making it a level to watch for the next potential breakout. Turbo Energy SA specializes in photovoltaic energy equipment and has a market cap of $21.27 million. The stock is up 2.31% today, helped by news regarding the restructuring of its bank financing. Its performance shows a notable recovery recently, with a 59.5% gain over the past year. Priced at $1.77 and below the planned entry of $1.775, with targets of T1 at $2.6625 and T2 at $3.55. XCHG Limited, which specializes in EV chargers, has a market cap of $49.82 million. It's down 5.26% today, amid varied analyst opinions on its future. The stock has underperformed over the last year, with the price down 39.5% in the month. Currently at $0.61, the stock is below the planned entry of $0.6439, while potential targets are set at T1 of $0.9658 and T2 of 1.2877. Top Ships Inc., focused on operating tanker vessels, has a market cap of $5.71 million. Today it shows a decline of 3.74% as a midday decliner, with overall tough trading conditions. The stock is significantly down 83.1% over the last year, affecting sentiment. Priced at $1.03, it's below the planned entry of $1.36, with T1 set at $2.04 and T2 at $2.72, making it a notable watch. XOS Inc. is engaged in designing battery electric vehicles with a current market cap of $64.01 million. The stock dropped 29.22% today amid news of funding efforts for an AI data center. Despite this setback, it has shown remarkable annual growth of 129.6%. Priced at $5.28 and below the planned entry of $8, targets stand at T1 of $12 and T2 of $16, suggesting future recovery potential. Basel Medical Group Limited provides healthcare services in Singapore, specializing in orthopedic procedures and general healthcare. It's currently valued at $9.11 million. Today's dip and significant drop of over 26% indicates a volume-driven move. From a performance perspective, it's been trending down sharply, with a one-month change of minus 20.1% and a 52-week range from 49 cents to $4.70. Currently priced at 49 cents, it sits below its planned entry of 67.4 cents, with T1 at 1.011 and T2 at 1.348. Watch for a potential reversal at these levels. J-Star Holding Co., Ltd. manufactures bicycles and sports accessories with a market cap of $20.03 million. The stock dropped nearly 19% today, hinting at a momentum-driven pullback. Over the past month, J-Star has notably surged by over 267%, despite a complex history. Currently, the share price stands at $1, well below the planned entry of $1.5495, with upside targets at $2.3243 and $3.099. Traders should monitor levels carefully for a potential recovery. Veru Inc. engages in tanker operations for crude oil, currently valued at $1.76 million. Today, it faced a nearly 10% drop, likely driven by momentum as opposed to specific events. Its one-month performance has shown an alarming decline of 83.7%, and the stock has fallen dramatically over the year with a range between $54 and a historic high of over $9,703.12. At $54, it's positioned below the key entry of $74.64, with targets at 1.1196 and 1.4928. Intercont Cayman Limited offers maritime shipping services with a market cap of $6.56 million. The stock rose over 12% today, marking a bullish momentum in the market. Recent performance shows a one-month increase of 30.4%, although it has faced turbulence over the past 6 months. Currently priced at $3.99, it's above its entry of $3.78, with T1 at $5.67 and T2 at $7.56. Continuing to monitor these levels could signal further opportunities. C3IS Inc. provides transportation services and has a market cap of $1.18 million. Today, the stock dropped slightly by 1.36%, part of a momentum-driven pattern in an otherwise challenging market. Over 1 month, it has seen a decline of 35.3%, with its year performance showing a staggering drop of over 99%. Trading at $2.18 and below the planned entry of $2.45, watch for targets at $3.67.50 and $4.90 to gauge any reversal. Optimum Communications Inc. provides broadband and telecommunications services, with a hefty market cap of $430.68 million. The stock gained 1.85% today, driven by a $500 million capital plan announcement. However, over the past month, shares are down by 22.5%. Currently priced at $1.10, it's below the planned entry of $1.1902, with upside potential at T1 of $1.7853 and T2 of $2.3804. CDT Equity Inc., focused on therapeutic asset development, has a market cap of $4.13 million. The stock was up over 5% today amid positive news related to patent protection. However, it faces a tremendous year-long drop